We'll show you how easy it is using the sum function to add numbers anywhere in your spreadsheet on your computer. Go to https://sheets.google.com in a web browser. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, follow the on-screen instructions to sign in now. Click the file you want to edit. Click the cell where you want to place the result. This can be any blank cell on the sheet. Click three dot options and select the summation symbol. It's near the top right corner of the sheet. This opens the function menu. Click Sum. Select the cells you want to add. To do this, click the first cell in the column, then drag the cursor down until all cells are selected. Press Enter. The total of all values in the column now appears in the cell. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.